can show you how to overcome addiction. We know now from the past videos, we don't do 2 videos together. Yes, we already starting and jazzy. But yeah, not facing now one canal or not facing old video. No, we just me in the Arsenal already Tottenham, but the second thing on Tottenham, it's supposed to be in top Tottenham and border Jabi. So like um Jabi, like the last 10 go there, you can show you some, you can share with me some certain reality of how to overcome addiction, how for you understand,
Yeah.
get that mindset of overcoming addiction, try for change, try for make something out of life back, try for flex addiction and you understand. So now I know say right now you try for build up your own page, your own organization, you understand, by God grace. You know, build up for teach people them, train people them. Yes, so I know she will start to make short videos them. You explain to people them how they are how to overcome certain things. Then I know say with time, when people when they establish more, people them will contact you, try for talk to them, advise them, show them certain things for do. Like where some man say man, they on relapse for take drugs back, they will call you side, they feel for take drugs, plenty and they I don't know if they happen any like you able to talk to them about plenty and you understand. I know say that kind of awareness, that kind of platform, then I'm big right now, empty.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Well, like we can't to your side back. But now we go force one push and come small to your side. So your side they can't back. So now Jabi,
Yeah.
yes, the last thing you say if person everybody dey take drugs. The reason of taking drugs. You understand? Hmm.
Yeah.
So like my own point, I can take as a drugs is not good, not bad. It just depends on what you use them for. Because we go hospital and the same drugs and give you the same hospital will give you drugs wey dey make you become addicted to that drugs. You understand? Because Cameroon have pain. If you take about all the pains, I even know say they make Tramadol injection capsule and thing you understand. So like I'm not say cocaine in a different level. They want to take Molly, they take I call her ecstasy, all that different thing. You understand? But you see everybody get reason for take sorry, everybody get reason for take drugs. You understand?
Yeah.
So like now I want to say this. Don't you tell me say I wrong or right?
Yeah.
You see everybody get reason for take drugs, eh? Okay. Some man can say it can depress and stress. You need that for drink alcohol and drugs. You go drink alcohol and hook on drugs for try for minimize the stress and pressure. One. Then some man go say na him body just influence and say take this to me how you feel. No one get feeling like it. One they see you take it. So like you get your friend, you trust and you understand. He give you, it takes you have done, you feel half of her. Also you know just you feel 30% of friends and you half, you feel 30%. You never get that kind of feeling like it one day. You understand? Then you say, this thing okay. Then the next day say, okay, we'll go full dose medicine now. You go full dose, feel am. Yes, this thing nice, you just hook. So now two, then the one for like when you get so they born you stress. This now two friends, bad party. Then we get the other one back, we like person mistake get accident. Don't go push it for me and you family, loved ones around me all. Around me view as they make accidents over them portion in Jesus' name. They get accident, then you pain severe. You go na hospital, then yeah, pain tabs. But you can't react to one kind begin enjoy and you understand. You don't hook back. You don't see, you don't hook back to that, you don't hook to her back. Imagine in hospital you go because of they get unfortunately they get accident. So the doctor get back and say, okay, this no don pain for a small, we'll get an so amount of, you understand. Then if feel like already we anytime now we doctor can get thing, life or achieve, you understand. Then na three around you should three business, you understand. Then number four using yeah, I need to find make addition. Mm-hmm. But no way to go first. So no way to go. That all I will catch am back later. If I not catch am back, go now and talk and just. So no way to go now. So tell me that number one reason. You understand? Why I say the person um wey stress and depressed, they go take drugs. Like explain to you because psychologically you na that kind thing you do. So explain to you back now back like wetin dey cause that. because if person normally take drugs in life, so stress and depress, then I go get the hate, the thinking. We never do drugs, so we take drugs, so people go buy drugs, use drugs to go help me and like some man now no say alcohol back, so person back in addict on alcohol, right?
Yeah.
So if you're addict on alcohol, I'm sure you drink every blessed day, which is very bad and not good for your health. One kind way.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So now, okay, so now I don't say much. So now, just try for a light you now on wait and say the question that I ask you. If you're forgetting, I will repeat them back.
Okay. You
Let
said
okay, now talk about the one first. We talk about. Let me talk about this one. When na posting stress.
yeah.
You know, it do works ever. Then just stress no more. Then all of a sudden no more. You just you don't know. Something really phone. You scroll through TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, you understand? Those they see some video of see the person they encourage. I mean, short video now. So what's in stress, go do works no good, this and that. Then that type of come out to post when no sleep and works business, you understand? So like expect to waiting they lead to that.
Um. Thank you very much. If you are there, with someone, thank you. Um. The
What
factors
do I
there,
call
the factors there where they lead to then stuff. Then they first of all, you get the environment
mm-hmm.
where the people and they watch say most people are where they pass stress. Whatever they stress from, but they say they do alcohol or they take drugs.
Mm-hmm.
That do become a norm now in society. Say anytime we stress, we take drug, we take this. He stays there, okay. Then environmental factors first. We'll get the social media stuff where it's cool too from just like I say. People meet up about two video, they tell you post they make videos like make it stress, other stuff then they do stress, they minimize on how film you watch, you see them stuff then they true movie and all. So like then stuff when they or you get party where they tell you some you have stress, this with that one and what all of the take what will take great mistakes to minimize. So we need for people to stop to that stuff and then our society where we will help with picking the big one we as a whole, in the society for make we see say there's other way we say we will minimize the stress, we will cope with stress and all. And just say I just not go can tell the society the people and say now then stop when you know more the stuff. I need to tell them the coping mechanism which you be able to stop the stress. So
Like sorry sir. Like that side waiting they do for stop this stress. I'm not sure you gotta make video on them thing like you gotta make video on them. You understand?
yeah,
Yes, so like, say I just not make you go too deep into them, you understand?
yeah,
Just to try to touch on the surface because you understand we got our thing for aspect for target. So you know,
yeah.
okay. Then what about the other one now where you say okay, you now patient hospital, you get pain. Then go give the pain tab. When you give the pain tab, you don't take out already, you don't become addicted to them. So then whether you blame the hospital or you blame the patients.
No, in this case, then two not the problem. We have a problem. None of the two parties then because the patient they feel in pain from the hospital, and that way they go able to minimize the patient in pain. So the blame not the on them too. So as a patient, we be say they in the situations and they don't really do an hospital for minimize the pain. Like that drug where you do in hospital for minimize the pain, that made a need for cancer drug and all. Then inside the hospital number for minimize the pain, we pain done by you, it's okay. But if you come on and do cancer drug, that now that not on the hospital again. Yeah.
Okay. Now, I mean, use your voice more so like you understand. You see the mic,
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So like you see that now the person,
Yeah.
but okay, fine. But now the hospital now they introduce to any drugs. Like what I mean, not to them carry a man at all. Now they introduce them to them and system. Now they tell you go you get pain. So they give them for dulling pain for that moment sake. So then they introduce them to them. So if you come out of that, you can find ways and means to get them. You understand? For me, you want to get hooked to that kind of feeling. You understand? So I know say I shouldn't blame the hospital. Then I not take her back to you go blame back the individual back. You understand? Because everybody get mindset on your own. You know? So I don't blame back the individual back, say because of this person, no. Because they get on hospital so for relapse now and come back, but it's not easy. You understand? Really not easy. You know? Then what about now? No, say you get a bad party will influence you. Bad you don't get party. You don't live in take it and then you back say okay, not taste, you understand? So then the total incomplete, we don't start a bad party. Now the bad party na influencer. But sometime back, they can say back, no matter how you be like, if you get mindset on you, nobody instigate you for take something. You understand? So like if you're not getting cases in the hospital, say we ask how you can go about this thing. You say, hey no, I'm a party. Now you waiting for me. Like how I can go ahead for talk to people and counseling and talk to them type of you understand, make something straight to them, make something straight in their mind, you understand?
Um, First of all, before they go to the hospital, you know, people and outside need for no say, you need just like
Talk
I would
loud.
say, you need for get a mind on your own.
Okay.
Say, it's easy for me by the influence person, and the easiest stuff can be for me possible by any stuff. Now, make if you don't know, say, certain party, the party certain life, and you know what the party life is, a man change your circle, change your friends. Them. They say if you want to become a billionaire, secret a billionaire, so many you should know so they think about the future, always they talk about goals and all stuff like that.
Positive things, yes.
So we should all discuss, with or without the camera,
Yeah.
yeah, get with time we discuss right to for right to try to execute them,
Yeah.
So the cow people they need for know say they need for choose and party them. It's hard for make you left you party them. It's hard, it's very, very hard. But for your own well being, you know,
Peace
because you
of
get
mind
for
and
you get
stuff.
for pick
Yeah.
yourself first before you pick anybody.
Yeah, that's my fact.
Yeah.
True that.
So
True that.
you need for pick yourself. So you need for change your circle, mingle with people that way we say you let out of the mingle, you let the stuff there where they do. You go talk to them and begin mingle, you begin show there, you see your life will change and all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, that's an answer. Okay. So like you can say the environment sorry, we can say the environment back so we found ourselves back. They can mona, you understand? Due to where they give reason go make some man left post, put on streets, you understand, go so for how many years, no make nothing out of life. You know, if you're unfortunate they die then nobody know, then they get a 50 burial, you understand? So like the community back here who they play, you understand? And then thing and like I can say this. I'm not gonna no problem. Every single person make money is warrior. Because me I just a mortal man like every single person. You understand? Them born me like I born every single person, you understand? So I'm not get problem with anybody I they making money. You understand? I'm not get problem with nobody I they making money. You know? So like then go play now. Like you see some I'm not saying it works, not go around it, but some picking away they underage from 10 years to even to 17 years, you understand? I'm not sure say them for gain works. School picking and they from one from two, I'm not sure say them for still give them. But in certain scenario then like I'm going video and talk where I make where the boy they come out school. I'm not sure you watch them.
Yeah.
Where they telling company say some flop malo by the boss. Imagine GSS one bubble. I don't call it school name, you understand? You understand? But GSS one bubble then they tell you say flopping by Sam. I did the name, not by the boss. I was them, you understand? So they which is at school now all, you know. So like the work is on back. If you take work some people but please, say yes, even though one picking. That age limit on that age, not select and works. Mm-hmm. First thing let say, first 10 days then they say picking go buy cigarettes for big person. Yeah, no, you know. But because if person go buy not select the person under 16 or under 18 year, you know, select the person we don't say not past 18 and above, very responsible. You understand? And what about no say the one in back, una back where you take works, you understand? We una the same as no one we not 18 year for go buy that thing for now. You know, like you send a number, you send always they get influenced by one day. Uncle okay, same. Imagine all the same picking. Go light on me, go light on go na stove, light the stove, light on me, secret cut on me. Every light I cut every day. One day back we lighter, it must go for make you know.
Yeah.
You understand? So like I'm not there against I'm not there against nobody I making money, I do business. But what I there against make they know they sell drugs to underage picking. No matter how e be, underage pikin no sell drugs for wey person send am say no, tell the person make sef come or he send a elderly person but you too small. If the kind of guy dey beat you, basic,
That now
that go help we. So I
that
don't know
now
how you
a
see that. You get
very
any insight for you on that?
yeah, I'm very, very supportive of what you say, and the people they need for come together and raise awareness about what you talk to, because this now very little of we get this kind of idea. They say regardless of whatever they go on and the country or stuff like that, for sell drugs to underage picking. within the society, you sell drugs to underage picking a problem for you. You
Mm-hmm.
know, it's very, very bad, and I happy way bring this scenario up, you know, this example. Because we see right now, the small boy, they all we be say this generation, they just the boom pass out the big one them be there. Then
Okay.
just the drug pass out the
Okay.
big one them be there. Me no understand,
Okay.
you know, it's very, very bad.
And if school picking take drugs right now, imagine we come out of school and fit. I mean, culture and fit. So you don't see, I dare against that. 100% will sell drugs to underage. I don't get called nobody else person making money. We work for what you get for do for survive. You understand? But please, not sell drugs be underage picking. And you back where they out there, we the same for buy for you. Please, yeah. If you never go back for yourself, find somebody with elderly person. All the drugs there, you must get phone. You take the number, you call them and say, watch, at this social coming thing. Build that kind of relationship with them. You understand? But please, it's painful and attending the way they see on the age speaking about drugs or person. And one day back, he must lead them for by saying, cooking by selling. Back, we get money by two, you take her. It's a hook.
Yeah.
And when you see look at that highly stage now, which you will begin thief. Because you know the girls I know, you go begin thief. You go begin thief, you go lead and take, go and sit. You don't see, eh?
Mm.
When you go and sit now, oh, pass.
Uda go one day where they see your own small one, they
Mm,
take drop. You one at the big one, you don't say you just want commodity, you know, get
mm,
with there, you go see small, how you will feel.
thank you.
You know, it's heartbreaking.
You just better know is kaka dem na. We want dance kaka. You know how it is. I say now born Christmas, but you want that Christmas.
Mm,
You want that, you know dance kaka dem, but you want kaka dem.
mm,
So I the thing that you understand. It's very, very emotional and the way they see small pickings and they go by and
mm.
then okay now.
So the viewers them make we come together and support cause in waiting they say. Don't put awareness out there. Say, do ya the drug people already they sell drug. Make the left for sell drug. The underage picking there under 18 years. Please, it's very bad. We this generation, the couple they say na future leaders them. Make we support cause in whatever they do. Make we put this awareness out there. You know that will help because all the what is cause the crowd story so now something beneficial for we. If not for you, picking there. If not for you picking the new generation yet unborn. You know, make we support this man. They call the street reality to we. You know, for me to see possible they do that in our society, very, very hard. Whose channel you see na TikTok. We be see you see them stuff then. The only people they talk about politics or they talk about faith for man and media. You don't ever see them kind of stuff there. We for be happy for this cause and support them in whatever they say. You know, thank you.
Okay. So now, as we say, with Dr. Jabide now, and we all know, again for a page already on set up for one up on TikTok, and so like we get for support and mark, like I get for share, I get for share to on in page, so because it's very important. So we support and back because we can preach a very good thing that can pull out there to make help brother and sister help us stop for for faith to overcome drugs. So like you get for getting your page so like get for getting content there. So like we get for support them, we go share 'em to million followers them out there. Now, okay, so like I want to answer this. With anxiety, like when you say anxiety, you understand? Which my anxiety?
Um, in simple, for me, we view as a understand
Mm-hmm.
anxiety. The other word for an fear. When you get fear to do something, fear of the future, and anxiety.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So how anxiety dey affect people wey dey take drugs?
Um, Anxiety they affect people that they take drugs. First of all, if person want let drug, you know, the thought they kind of get. Hey me, I go to sleep if I let this drug. Hey me, I go able get energy if I let this drug. Hey me, I go able interact if I let this drug. So you don't see the fear of the future, how it will be, what he will do for make like we don't let the door, what he will do for get that energy there. So if they get that fear of the future, say if I left this, I will survive, you know. So
Mm-hmm.
that fear they para some people like you are left you know, if we will left for that one day, but you know go able to continue the next day cause you know get another coping mechanism for replace that drug the way we go get that energy, we go
Okay.
make it sleep. So that anxiety, that fear they para.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So how like so now I'll make tell me last question I ask you. So how people will face anxiety? How them for facing I can you facing I don't know how you will face anxiety.
Okay. Very beautiful question. There is different way for face anxiety. You know, for just example, like how they say people let they fear or say they're not going to sleep and they're not going to get energy and now we're going to interact. First of all, where you get that anxiety there, you know your time of the day where the cravings they pop up, where you know say, now I want sleep, but I need a good sleep. Now you
Okay.
defend coping mechanism there for sleep. For example, if you know say that night you can sleep, you maybe dey sleep late, you dey try for sleep early. If you know
Mhm.
say you no be dey able, you no able sleep at all, you dey exercise or you try for within your bed, you try for meditate. Or just
Mhm.
like how they say you dey put that raindrops, dey play na you itself so you dey feel
Okay,
like say
yes, you want
you
yes.
in the car.
In the car, yeah, I
Yeah.
understand. Okay.
And for other portions them of wetin do on the couch, the energy side back,
Mm-hmm.
you know, you go go maintain your diet, you know, eat well, get enough sleep, you know, try for exercise, you know, try for if you never exercise, go for a walk. Their
Mm-hmm.
level and they stop and they will help you. So whenever the anxiety comes, they put a coping mechanism, you right here. Okay, now if I begin feel like say I want sleep, but sleep no I can this I dey do I dey sleep. Now if I feel like say I not get energy, let do this I dey get energy. So you dey write all them stuff there how they try for name so. You know, you back go to you online say we will get energy throughout the day. They show you steps how people that use wey be say they don't help them, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So you back try write them whenever this
Okay.
the anxiety cap pop up, you use them coping mechanism and they see they become hard for us, but
With
with
time,
time
yeah.
they
Okay.
become easy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Fambulem, and I thank you, thank you. Don't forget for like, follow. Don't forget for like, follow. Then don't forget for you share the video out there and reach the Fambulem within us. It may reach to the because this video will reach to the main one they will for Siam. So please don't forget for like, follow, and share. Thank you very much, Papa
All
Japs.
right, thank you.